good afternoon from Aqualava in Playa Blanca. Now this is one of the smaller water parks out of the two, and it's great for smaller children. We've come down today and I'm going to film all the way around the park and show you the best things that you need to know about Aqualava in Playa Blanca. Let's go take a look. So, the Aqualava is situated in Playa Blanca. Now, if you're in Playa Blanca, it's ideal because it's right on your doorstep and it's a great way to spend a day. But don't worry, if you're in Puerto, Carmen and Costa, Teguise, they do pick up on a Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And all you have to do is head over to excursionslanzarote.com, book your tickets with pickup, and we'll send you a ticket showing you the pickup point and the pickup time. And it will bring you down here for around 10 o'clock and you'll probably leave around 3:30. So you get plenty of time in the park. This is the entrance to the Timmy tickets, where you'll hand over your ticket and they'll get you all checked in for the day. The prices are €22 for adults and 15 for kids, so it's very, very reasonable. Heading straight in, a little tip: we came on a Saturday and as you can see there's a few locals having some birthday parties for the kids, so if you are going to book and you are going to come down here, especially in peak season, I'd recommend coming down on a weekday because it's less busy. When you get in, as you can see, there's plenty of space, plenty of sunbeds around, and in peak season as well, they have been turning people away. Now, we've just finished Easter, which was one of the busiest times that we've had in a very, very long time, and they were actually turning people away at the door because they were full to capacity. As you can see, it's only a small park, so you make sure you get your tickets booked in advance so they know how many people they've got on the day. It's also attached to a hotel, the Lanzarote, which means that the clients from that hotel get full access to the park as well. So if the hotel's busy, you know the park's going to be busy. So just head down to our website, excursionslanzarote.com. You can book your tickets and get yourself all sorted. As you can see, once you get inside, you just have to find yourself a sunbed and have a little wander around before planning your day further. Once you're settled, you're all ready to go. What we did was found our seats and then we headed straight down to get ourselves a locker. The lockers are €4 and a €2 deposit, which you get back, and you can rent that for the day. We had locker number 9, and as you can see, it's got plenty of space inside once you get the key to work, and you can put all your towels and everything in there. So it's great for security. So these are the bigger slides, and these are for people 1.20 m and above. So this place is ideal for smaller kids and smaller teens as well, because you only have to be 1.20 m to ride on the big slides. It's fabulous. So you've got the 4 main slides and another one which I like to call the toilet, which is a huge dome and pops you out the bottom. But you can go down these on your own, or you can go with the inflatables with rings for 1 and rings for 2 as well. So it's great for parents and kids to slide down those together. There's the lazy river. That place is a little bit warmer than the rest. The water is heated by the sun, but that place seemed to be a lot warmer. So get yourself in there first, you can get yourself ready. Of course, straight up the slides you go, and it's not like one of those places where you have to wait in line for a long time. I'm sure in peak season it's a lot busier, but there's not too many stairs to climb. Quite easy as well, not too bad, and the views up there are absolutely spectacular. And like I said, you've got the rubber rings where you've got doubles where you can go down with the kids or send kids down with themselves, or singles as well. So it's good for all ages. Now, as you can see at the top, you get amazing views of Playa Blanca. You've got Montaña Roca in the background there, and you'll just get a big bird's eye view of Playa Blanca. Absolutely fantastic. All you need to do is get that rubber ring in the top of the slide, get yourself comfortable, and away you go. Now, if you're like me, and that isn't me, although it does look a little bit like me, it is a little bit tricky getting in, but once you're in, you're rocking and rolling, and away you go. Lifeguards are up there to tell you whether to go, whether to stay, so they keep everything under control. And all you're left to do is head down that big tube and scream all the way down. Absolutely fantastic. So there you go, that's some of the bigger slides for you, and don't forget you have to be 1.20 m to ride these, but it's really cool that you can send the kids up here. They've got the lifeguards on duty, everybody's monitoring everything, so you can see the kids are happy and they're happy going down the slides on their own as well. Back down on Earth is where the smaller kids are. So if you have got smaller children, do not worry. This place is ideal. It's got a big splash zone with really shallow waters and sunbeds all the way around, so you can really sort of sit back and relax and let the kids enjoy themselves in this area. You've got slides at the back where the kids can go up and down and to their heart's content, and a big bucket as well that fills up with water and splashes them around these steps where they can climb up and slide down as well. So it's ideal for small children. Absolutely fantastic. In fact, it's the best park if you've got little ones. It's just absolutely perfect for them. There's loads for them to do, and they will be entertained throughout the day. This is also the only park with a wave machine as well, so it's got a wave pool. Lunch was fabulous. Now, it's not too bad for lunch. You do sort of expect some of these parks to be quite expensive. Now, you can have your hot dogs, your burgers, your kebabs, your paella. You've got a little bit of a choice. It's sort of like a buffet, but you just choose what you want, tell them what you want. It's standard basic food that you would find at a park, but it's enough to keep you going throughout the day. And price-wise, you're probably talking around, I'd say, maybe €10 per person with a drink, so it's not too bad at all. We went for the kebab and chips. It was beautiful. We enjoyed it. I think it was about $7.99. Hot dogs go down well with the kids as well. All in all, we were very impressed with the price. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. And just to recap on the tips so that you can have an amazing day at Aqualava. Number one, make sure you go there on a weekday. Try and avoid the weekends because a lot of the locals go down there. As you saw, there was a couple of birthday parties there, so that's when the locals tend to go down. So go on a weekday, you'll have a much better day and it'll be a lot less busy. Number two, make sure to get your tickets in advance. This place is attached to a hotel, so if the hotel's busy, the hotel has full access to the park and they have got limited spaces. You can see it's not a great big park. So they are limited spaces, and if people are turning up on the door, they are turning them away over Easter anyway, so I assume summer will be the same. So make sure, get your tickets in advance. There's a link below. You can book tickets where you just go straight into that Timmy ticket office and hand that over and you're straight in. Or if you're in Puerto, Carmen and Costa, Teguise, they will pick you up on a Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So make sure to book that in advance as well. And we'll send you all the pickup information that you need to get yourself down to Playa Blanca. And you'll get a good amount of time down there, around sort of 10 o'clock-ish till about 3:30. So that's enough time to enjoy the park. Kids have to be 1.20 meters and above to ride the bigger slides, but there is loads for the smaller kids to do. It's the only park with a wave pool as well. And don't forget, budget-wise for food, you can't take your own food in there, but budget-wise, I'd say about €10 per adult, €7 per kid should get you a nice meal for the day. And of course, you've got a shop with ice creams and stuff like that and small snacks throughout the day. All your rubber rings and everything like that are included in the price. They're all free. And your sunbeds as well. There's no need to rent them. If you do want a locker, it's €4 for the day with a €2 deposit, and that's it. All that you've got to do is show up, have a fabulous time and enjoy the Aqualava. Stay tuned for more. Make sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell because it will tell you when we do new videos. And if you come into Lanzarote and you want to ask any questions, get on excursionslanzarote.com, click the chat now button and someone will be there to answer everything that you need to answer. Have a great time. We'll see you in Lanzarote soon, and it's going to be a busy, busy summer. So get those tickets for every excursion booked in advance. We'll see you on the next video. Stay tuned.